When Ötzi the Iceman was discovered in 1991, frozen in the Alps where he died by foul play more than 5,000 years ago, his body became a scientific sensation. Now new research into his ribcage has revealed he carried an unusual set of anatomical features that may rewrite evolution itself. Scientists reconstructed the rib cages of several ancient Homo sapiens, including Ötzi, using digital 3D models. They found that while most fossil humans shared the rounded, globular chest shape typical of people today, there were striking differences linked to climate. Individuals from warmer regions tended to have smaller, more cylindrical rib cages, while those from colder climates had larger, broader chests that helped conserve heat. Ötzi's ribcage, however, did not neatly fit either category, according to the study titled Fossil Ribcages of Homo sapiens Provide New Insights into Modern Human Evolution, which featured in the journal Communications Biology. Instead, it displayed a mix of traits, some slender, some stocky. The study authors suggest that this hybrid structure could have been an evolutionary advantage for someone moving between alpine valleys and high mountain pastures, adapting to both cold winters and milder seasons. In short, his weird rib cage may have helped him breathe and regulate body temperature during the seasonal migrations that were part of his way of life. The study also places Ötzi's anatomy into a wider story of human evolution. Earlier assumptions held that the slim rib cage of modern humans was a primitive trait, but recent work shows it was actually a later development. Fossil evidence from early Homo erectus indicates they were stockier than once believed, while Neanderthals were famously barrel-chested. The new reconstructions suggest that our species evolved a flexible range of thorax shapes, influenced by both ancestry and climate. The findings highlight that human variation has always been more complex than a simple linear progression towards modern body types. Even within our own species, ancient people displayed a spectrum of adaptations shaped by the environments they lived in. For Ötzi, whose mummified remains have provided unparalleled insight into prehistoric life, the revelation about his ribcage adds yet another layer to the story. His mixed anatomy may have been a crucial factor in how he coped with the rigours of mountain living thousands of years ago. Part of the paper's abstract read, "The ribcage of Ötzi presented mixed features, something that could have been beneficial for seasonal alpine transhumance." This suggests that Homo sapiens' ribcage morphology encompasses both slender and stockier forms, highlighting that human anatomical variation might be more complex and context-dependent than previously thought. So if your ribcage can be impacted by your environment and the kind of work that you do, if that's the case, it doesn't bear thinking about what Western ribcages will be like after a few centuries of sedentary work. I suppose that will be one for future archaeologists. But that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, share, and most importantly, subscribe. And you can also support the channel on Subscribestar via the link in the description or via YouTube Super Thanks. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.